Okay, instant yogurt salad dressing. This was very popular in Germany, where I served while I was in the British Army, and it was one of my favourite salad dressings and remains so to this day. Right, ingredients. You're going to need some yogurt. I'm using this thick style Greek natural yogurt. I'm using some Dijon mustard. Now, normally I make it in the pot. As the pot gets empty, I leave it where there's a little bit of mustard left in the bottom, and then I just top it up with what I need to make my salad dressing. But here I'm going to make it in a jar, so I'm making it kind of clean. I've got some honey and I've got some dried dill. Dill is very, very popular as in salad dressings in Germany, and when you give it a try, you'll quite like it. If you like gravlax salmon, you'll notice there's mustard, honey and dill. They are the makings of a gravlax salmon, so we're kind of making a gravlax style salad dressing here, but I got the idea from Germany. Right, I'm going to put in a bit of mustard to start with, so I like to put in quite a bit. In addition to that, you will need some cider or white wine vinegar. I'm using a bit of cider vinegar. So I'm going to top that up to about a quarter of the pot with that vinegar. Then I'm going to put in some honey. I'm going to put in quite a generous teaspoonful. And I'm going to put in a pinch of dried dill. Fairly generous pinch of dried dill. And I'm going to top that up to just above halfway with yogurt. That's it for ingredients. The technique is to put the lid on, give it the good news. Then you can take off the lid, have a scrape, see what it tastes like. That's right there, that's bang on the money straight away. So you've got this nice thick yogurt salad dressing. Let's show you that served up. So there you go, I've got a nice sweet and crunchy salad, and I can pour straight from the jar all over it. Delicious. Instant yogurt dressing. Enjoy.